Some days your mind isn't racing, it's compressed. Everything feels tight, closed in, or squeezed together inside your chest. This feeling isn't random. It's emotional compression, and walking is one of the simplest ways to release it. Emotional compression happens when your system is trying to hold too much in a small internal space. Your breath gets shallow, your shoulders curl inward, your stomach tightens, your awareness shrinks, your mind feels squeezed, your body feels braced, your system feels like it's working with no room to stretch. This is your nervous system protecting you, but it's also trapping you. When you stay still during emotional compression, your system has no way to release the internal pressure. Your muscles stay braced, your breath stays tight, your awareness stays narrow, your thoughts stay stuck inside the tightness. Stillness makes compression denser, movement breaks it. The moment you take your first step, your body begins to reopen. Your breath deepens, your chest expands, your shoulders release. Your awareness widens beyond the internal pressure. Each step gives your body permission to let go of the bracing it was doing subconsciously. Walking literally creates internal room for your emotions to spread out instead of crushing together. The left-right rhythm of walking is one of the best tools for softening internal pressure. Rhythm signals safety. Rhythm brings order. Rhythm slows the emotional tightening. As your steps find their pace, your emotional compression begins to unlock. You may feel your breath deepen, your throat loosen, your chest soften, or a sense of spaciousness returning. This is your system re-expanding. As compression lifts, clarity returns. Your thoughts feel less crowded, your emotions feel less intense, your body feels less trapped. Walking doesn't force the pressure out. It gives your system the movement it needs to release it naturally. You don't push the compression away, you walk it open. So when your chest feels tight, your emotions feel squeezed, or your mind feels trapped inside itself, walk. Give your system space. Give your emotions room. Give your breath expansion. Walking releases compression. Walking reopens you. Walking is medicine.